Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all of you here in online study of mathematics. I hope you all are fine at your home and doing maths work regularly. Okay. So we are doing chapter number 5, algebraic expressions and identities, and today we will complete exercise 5.2 because only two questions are remaining, question number 6 and question number 7. In question number 6, the cost of a chocolate is rupees 2x plus y. Tina bought 2x plus 2y chocolates. Find the total amount paid by her in terms of x. So this is very simple question. You can think that the cost of a chocolate is rupees 10. Tina bought 2 chocolates. So find the amount paid by her in terms of amount. So 10 multiplied 2 will be 20 rupees. So but here we have the terms in, we have the values in x and y. Okay, so the answer will be in x and y, and he is asking to find the amount paid by her in terms of x, means variables. So start its solution. Cost of a chocolate is rupees 2x plus y. So the cost of 2 into x plus 2y chocolates will be equal to 2x plus y multiply 2 into x plus 2y. Take this 2 here, 2 multiply, and then write 2x plus y and x plus 2y. The sign of operation between them will be multiplication. Now we have two binomials to be multiplied to get the final answer. I am doing it in short now. 2x will multiply by x, 2x square, plus 2x will multiply by 2y, 4xy, plus y will multiply by x, xy, plus y will multiply by 2y, 2y square. 2 into 2x square, 4 plus 1, 5xy, plus 2y square. The whole bracket is multiplying by 2, so 4x square plus 10xy plus 4y square. It will be our final answer. Therefore, the cost of 2x plus 2y chocolates is rupees 4x square plus 10xy plus 4y square. Answer. Move on to question number 7. Okay, for question number 7, I have to rub the board and write down the question number 7 again. Okay, here we go with question number 7. Length of a rectangular garden is 10 meter and its breadth is 8 meter. If a road of uniform width of x meter is surrounded outside the park, find the area of the road in terms of x. To solve this question, first I would like to draw its diagram. Okay, suppose this is a rectangular garden, okay, which is 10 meter in length and 8 meter in breadth. Okay, if a road of uniform width of x meter is surrounded outside the park, what we are doing here, we are it surrounding the park by a road, and the width of that road is x meter. Okay, now this is the width which is equal to x meter. This is also x meter, and this is x meter. Okay, this distance is x meter, this distance is x meter, this distance is also x meter, and this distance is also x meter. Now what we have to find the area of the road in terms of x. This is your garden and this is your road, so we have to find the area of the road. Okay, we have to find the area of the road, which I am going to shade. You have to find only the area of the road. So there are so many methods to solve this question. What we will follow: we know the dimensions of the rectangular garden, okay, and with the help of these dimensions and the width of the road, we can find the dimensions of the entire rectangular figure. Suppose this is 10 meter, this is x meter, this is x meter, so the total will be 10 plus x plus x, so it will be 10 plus 2x meter, the entire distance, the entire length of the figure. And similarly this is 8 meter, okay, and it is x, it is also x, so this distance will be 8 meter plus x, so it will be 8 plus 2x meter. Okay, so what we will do now, we will find the area of this rectangular garden, then we will find the area of the entire figure, and then we will subtract the area of the garden from the whole area, then we will get the area of the shaded part, that is road. Okay, so here we start our solution. Length of the garden is equals to 10 meter, breadth of the garden is equals to 8 meter, therefore area of the rectangular garden it will be equal to length into breadth. 10 meter into 8 meter is equals to 80 meter square. Okay, now we have to find the length of the road and the length of the breadth of the road. Length of the outer boundary, length of the outer boundary means I am talking about this distance. Okay, it will be equal to 10 plus 2x meter. Breadth of the outer boundary, it will be equal to 8 plus 2x meter, and we all knows that it is in the shape of rectangular field, so therefore area of the rectangular figure, the entire figure, will be equal to length into breadth. Length is equals to 10 plus 2x into breadth is 8 plus 2x. Okay, so now we have to multiply two binomials. I am going to solve this multiplication in short. 10 into 8, 80, plus 10 into 2x, 20x, plus 2x into 8, 16x, plus 4x square. Okay, this is the area of the composite figure, or we can solve it, we can write it as 4x square plus 20x plus 16x, 36x plus 80 meter square. Now we have found the area of the garden as well as the area of the composite figure, but in our question we have to find the area of the road. So here we will find the area of the road. Area of the road will be equal to total area minus area of the rectangular garden. It is clear from the picture that if we will subtract the area of the garden from the total area, okay, so it is just like that. With the help of scissors we are cutting this area, the area of the garden, which I am marking with the red color marker. Okay, suppose with the help of scissors I have cut down this area. So what area will be remaining? The remaining area will be the area of the road, which we have to find the area. Okay, so the total area of the road will be equal to total area minus area of the rectangular garden. Total area is this 4x square plus 36x plus 80 minus area of the rectangular garden. Area of rectangular garden is 80, minus 80 plus 80 cancelled, so the final answer is 4x square plus 36x meter square. This is the required area. Here you have to write down the statement of the answer. So the required area of the road is equals to 4x square plus 36x meter square, because this is a word problem, and in these kind of questions we have to mention the answer in language, with language. Okay, so the concept is very easy of this question. Don't be afraid with the length of the question. Okay, one more method is there to solve this question. Initially you can find out the dimensions of the road, the outer dimension and inner dimension, and then you can directly find the area. But for my opinion, this is little bit lengthy, but it is easy to understand. Okay, if we have to find the area of this strip, then we have to cut down the area of the interior part, that is the area of the garden. With the help of scissors we will cut it, and the remaining what is left, that will be the required area of the road. So keep doing your work on regular basis. Thank you and have a nice day.